I am David Erickson, and this is pro tip number. So we talked several episodes ago on the new feature for LinkedIn that you can upload documents now. In addition to, so you can upload a document, you can upload a presentation, a video, and it had been rolling out. I finally got it and have been playing around with it.
I don't have it yet.
And I saved a link to a SlideShare presentation that I'd uploaded. And I love SlideShare, but SlideShare is owned by LinkedIn. So you'd think the integration would be tight. But I shared a link to it, and the thumbnail that it grabbed was completely blurry. It was like overly compressed and looked like crap. So my pro tip is upload your presentations, upload your PDF of your presentation directly to LinkedIn, and then don't share a SlideShare link. Upload it directly, and it'll actually have a high quality thumbnail that'll pull. So it's a bug in their system, but it's an annoying one.